Happy New Year! It's the beginning of 2021, and if you are like most TPT sellers, you have written your goals for 2021, or you are about to write goals. In this video, I'm going to give you practical suggestions when creating goals for your TPT store. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, my name is Lori-Ann, and if you are new to this channel, welcome. Here at It's All Primary, we talk about teacher side hustles and teacher productivity. So click that subscribe button and bell so you don't miss weekly videos. So let me just start off by saying I am a goal-oriented person. I make lots of goals, lots of lists. Maybe you're like that too. Let me know below in the comments. And though I make a lot of goals and a lot of lists, I don't always get them done. Last February, I read a book called Atomic Habits by James Clear, and I will put a link down below. And if you haven't read it, I highly recommend it. In his book, he talks about creating systems, not goals, and then giving yourself practical action steps. So I tried it, and it worked. For me, it was really about keeping goals really small and creating an environment that will enable me to be more successful. So as a TPT seller, what kind of goals have you created for yourself for this year, coming year? Let's just say you want to make a couple $1,000s from your store this year. And while that is a good goal to have, maybe not. But let's see if we can break down this goal to get you to that bigger goal. So by starting with the goal of $2,000 per year, let's break that down to what would you need to make for the month, which works out to be about $167. Okay, so that's a little bit more easy to see. But let's now look at your store. How many products do you have in your store right now? Do all your products have product videos? And if they don't, you can check out this video on how to make product videos. Do all your products have keyword-rich descriptions attached to them? Have you priced everything properly? There's another video you can watch. Are you marketing your products? And with all these questions, you can create more goals that you need to do. So let's go back to the number of products in your store right now. Do you have more than 20 or 30 products? If not, then we need to focus on getting more products into your store. Let's talk about creating that product. How much time does it take for you to create a product? How many hours per week do you devote to creating a product? When you sit down to make that product, do you know exactly what you're going to do with the time that you've been given? If you're writing in your goals for the week that you are going to make a TPT product, it's still too big of a goal. You need to break it down further. So one thing you can do is you can create for yourself a checklist of all the things that you need to do from beginning to end on creating that TPT product and getting it uploaded, and all the steps in between, before and after, all of them. And then once you have that list, write down beside each thing how long it will take to actually accomplish that step. For example, how long does it take for you to create the cover? How long does it take for you to create the terms of use? How long does it take for you to add hyperlinks or search for clip art or fonts? How long does it take for you to create pictures for your product? So then once you have all your times written along your list, even if they're just guesses, specify exactly what you are going to do with that 1.5 hours that you are going to spend after the kids go to bed. Also, create an environment that is going to make it easy for you to sit down, do your work, and stay focused. So have your materials out, and so that you are ready to go, that you just have to either turn on your laptop or turn on your computer. Just turn things on, but you have all your materials ready. This keeps you focused, and your chances of getting your tasks done are much higher. When you think about it, there are a lot of tasks when creating a TPT product that can be done in 15 or 30 minutes. One of the things that I learned from the podcast Unbusy Your Life is that when you give yourself a short period of time, but you know exactly what you're going to do in that short period of time, you are going to accomplish your tasks so much more efficiently. Some of the tasks that you can do are write a product description, make a preview video, update an older resource, make some pins for that resource, make an answer key if you think your product needs one. search for clip art or fonts, but again, keep to your time. So by making your goals very short, small, you are going to get that feeling of progress and success a lot more than you would if you just make a product. Celebrate those little wins that you are having as you're creating it. If you are creating a 1-year goal, make sure to break it down into quarters. It's quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and then quarter 4 is that 1-year goal. And then within your 1 quarter, you can go 30, 60, 90 days. So for example, right now, in your 30 days, what do you want to get done for the month of January? Write down the things, and again, be specific what you want done. If you want to say, I want to get 10 TPT products uploaded, then write down what are those actual TPT products going to be, right? And if you don't know, then one of your first goals should be to brainstorm or mind dump for 1 hour all the possible products that you can make, right? You've got to break things down. So I'm going to end this video right now because that's probably enough for you to do. I know that was enough for me to do. If you want to hear more about goals and different goals that you can set for yourself, again, make a comment or question, or give me a question down below in the comment section. The next video coming up is going to be on marketing your TPT product. And if you found any value from this video, please click that thumb up and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Teacher productivity videos are posted Tuesdays. Teacher side hustle videos are posted Saturdays. I pray that wherever you are, that you are hopeful for this new year. You are staying safe and healthy, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.